Dive into the high-tech universe of farm machinery where innovation is king and sophistication is unmatched. At Mind Machines, we're peeling back the curtain on the revolutionary tools changing the game in agriculture, welcoming a new age of efficiency and precision. This is what the future of farming looks like. Carrots. Leading the charge in carrot production are states like California, Washington, and Texas, with California pumping out more than 85% of the country's carrots. After you bring in the apple harvest, those fruits can stay fresh for weeks. Just make sure to separate out any bruised or damaged apples first, since they can speed up spoilage for the rest around them. The annual grape harvest presents a significant hurdle for vintners every year. It's vital that the grapes are moved quickly and carefully to ensure top-quality wine down the line. The performance of these machines has left many in awe, particularly with the Nippopalm, a species that's found its niche in the swampy, tidal, and saline environments of the Asia-Pacific, thriving in those tropical climates. Pomegranates, with their fragile skin, are prone to damage under pressure, making manual harvest a necessity. Right now, we're checking out a lettuce farm in Arizona, where annually, over 5,000 workers gather to bring in the harvest. The state has dedicated about 54,000 acres to growing lettuce, resulting in a massive turnout of this popular green. Turkey farming is huge, with the U.S. raising and then slaughtering millions of turkeys. As of 2020, there were about 224 million turkeys in the country. The harvesting of cauliflower is a labor of love, revealing a spectrum of colors in the fields that highlight the expertise of farmers. Come August, onion farms across the U.S. kick into high gear, with machines reaping millions of onions for our tables. Plums are destined for drying factories, but about 35% of Washington's plum crop hits the markets fresh. Fruit is? Drop a comment and let us all know. What do you think about the whole harvest and cultivation process? When it comes to pumpkins, there's machinery designed for heavy-duty harvesting, ensuring that pumpkins are collected efficiently and effectively, boosting overall productivity. This is what harvesting sweet corn on a grand scale looks like, with state-of-the-art machinery picking millions of ears of corn. The scene is similar at a sweet corn packing facility in California. Tomato farms often harvest their crop while it's still green, allowing tomatoes to ripen off the vine, which helps avoid splitting or bruising. In Florida, around 443,000 acres are devoted to sugarcane, accounting for 47% of the country's sugarcane production. After harvesting, bell peppers are taken to be sorted and graded, using advanced tech to sort them by size, color, and quality for consistent end products. Orange harvest season means farmers no longer have to stress about manual labor thanks to these harvesting machines. The Universal Dryer 2 impresses with its ability to handle up to 70 tons per hour, designed for easy operation with a simple, Intuitive control panel. Check this out. This incredible plum harvesting machine with its cutting-edge tree-shaking tech is a game-changer compared to what was available just 10 years ago. Over in North Carolina, which ranks second in the US for turkey farming, there are about 33 million birds, with these turkeys being only 2 weeks old. US farmers use their extensive know-how and resources to produce some of the tastiest potatoes found anywhere in the world. The Advanced C360 is tailor-made for direct harvesting of peanuts, corn, and beans. Thanks to its dual-track system, it glides through fields with ease, ramping up productivity. Meet the Tamanigi Digger, a nifty little machine that's changing the game in onion harvesting with its clever design and features. When it comes to garlic and light soil, you can just yank it right out. But if you're dealing with tougher ground or deeper roots, the best way to get those bulbs up is by sliding a fork under them and gently lifting the whole plant out. The corn harvester? It's a beast in the best way, powerful and efficient, making quick work of corn harvesting to boost overall farm productivity. Ever curious about making dried persimmons? Follow along with us step-by-step to whip up these tasty dried fruits. Here are some snapshots from a pomegranate juice factory. Ever tried pomegranate juice? The seeds get crushed to squeeze out the juice. The FI942, paired with a shell board stripper, is the go-to for a continuous cut method in the orchard, making it a top pick for harvesting imp. In Washington, hundreds of migrant workers get trained in cherry picking techniques to ensure the best yield and quality, with the cherry season running from mid-June to early September. Talk about an adrenaline-fueled harvest. 2 Claas Selection 780 Terra track combines, decked out with Claas Vario 1230 headers, set the standard for efficiency in rapeseed harvesting. Absolutely incredible. Let's take a peek inside a chicken egg hatchery where, thanks to the latest tech, the chick hatching rate has skyrocketed to over 99%. The apple packaging line is a marvel of automation, perfectly packing apples with astounding efficiency and precision. Vegetable harvesting serves a dual purpose. It not only demonstrates the food production process but also offers educational and nutritional benefits. According to the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, the greenhouse and nursery industries support over 249,000 jobs annually in the state, with most being full-time. Step into the vibrant world of farm workers and high-output farms in the picturesque Sacramento Valley. all powered by the slick operation of harvest belts. Marvel at the hard work and dedication of agricultural workers as they tend to the fertile fields. The Paduro F1 is taking Napa cabbage harvesting to the next level with its state-of-the-art technology, offering unmatched efficiency and precision. It's a game changer, leaving old methods in the dust. The red berry harvester quickly and efficiently collects fruit, minimizing waste and demonstrating incredible speed and precision. The Lift SP260B impresses with its modern design, performance, and ease of use, making harvesting in the orchard a breeze. Watermelons bring a burst of life and color, offering a refreshing sight to behold. This high-speed potato transport machine isn't just any tool. Its efficiency and speed revolutionize how potatoes are handled, marking a milestone in tech advancements. Immerse yourself in the art of lavender harvesting. This specialized machine precisely collects lavender blooms, creating a fragrant masterpiece of agricultural innovation. The grape harvest is a critical time for any winemaker, signaling the collection of grapes that will be turned into wine. Ever seen this machine with its hefty digging gear? Oh, it's something to behold. This automated behemoth tackles hundreds of apple trees an hour, handling 9,000 to 10,000 kilograms daily, a testament to its unparalleled efficiency. The Kale Harvester, designed specifically for kale, features an adjustable cutting mechanism, a conveyor for gentle leaf transport, and adjustable row width to fit different setups. The unmatched watermelon seed harvester is at the forefront of agricultural tech, optimizing the harvesting process and enhancing efficiency in fruit farming. This innovative machinery not only harvests corn but also grinds it up right there, turning it into animal feed in one fell swoop. After all the effort and care you've put into your apple trees, harvest time is when you see the fruits of your labor. Just make sure to sort the good apples from the bad right away. Behold the astonishing efficiency of this cherry harvesting powerhouse. This giant takes productivity and efficiency to a whole new level, leaving its predecessors in the dust with its staggering size and capabilities. We're talking about a monumental shift in how we farm tomatoes. A futuristic leap, really. And talk about impressive. This potato harvester works the fields like a pro, scooping up spuds quickly and making large-scale farming look easy. Meanwhile, the grass cutting and bundling machine is redefining fieldwork with its advanced tech, speeding through jobs with unmatched accuracy. If you planted onions in the spring, get ready to pick them by late summer or early fall. For those in warmer spots where onions went into the ground in fall, expect to harvest from early to mid-summer. Next stop on our video tour, a broccoli farm in California, which occupies 119,000 acres, making up 90% of the U.S. broccoli production. It's astounding to see a single machine doing the work of hundreds in no time at all. A true agricultural efficiency masterpiece. The peanut harvester is a sight to behold, making peanut collection smooth and boosting the cultivation game. Then there's the potato planter, laying down furrows with incredible precision, a revolution in planting that's setting new standards for efficiency and yield. And don't miss the harvester that picks aromatic bulbs with the precision of a skilled farmer and the efficiency of a machine. Ever wonder about mango processing? Mangoes are turned into pulp, used in making nectar, juice, squash, jam, jelly, and even dried products. This harvester's ability to gather tons of crops without sacrificing quality strikes the perfect balance between quantity and excellence. The sugar beet harvester is a standout in agricultural engineering, gracefully mining the sweet riches of the earth. Watching a farmer expertly mow down grass is like watching an artist at work. Chilies, much like tomatoes, flourish under similar conditions. For the best results, grow them in a greenhouse, polytunnel, or a sunny spot inside. They can manage outdoors in a warm, sheltered spot too, though you might see a smaller harvest. Welcome to the future with this bean harvester, unmatched in both size and efficiency, a true tech wonder. The tea harvester stands as a beacon of progress, eclipsing old methods with its advanced approach. It's not just a machine. It's like having hundreds of workers, all in one, transforming productivity on a grand scale. The beet harvester, designed specifically for the task, combines a harvesting mechanism, adjustable depth control, and gentle handling to navigate fields and harvest beets efficiently. The potato harvester is transforming agriculture, capable of tackling vast areas in a single day, making hard work a thing of the past. Plums mature in about 3 to 4 months, going from hard and green to ripe and soft on the tree, with a prime 2-week window before they overripen and fall. Join us in harvesting these petite pumpkins. With this machine, we're talking tens of tons of pumpkins harvested in just an hour. Incredible! This machine is a game changer, efficiently collecting sugar beet leaves and boosting agricultural productivity. The revolutionary olive harvester is compact yet mighty, surpassing traditional methods with its advanced efficiency. This machine, a behemoth equipped with large gears, brings modern efficiency to watermelon harvesting, outdoing technologies of the past. The pumpkin harvester is a sight to behold, efficiently collecting pumpkins with precision, a true testament to technological advancement. It effortlessly gathers large amounts of grains, performing a delicate dance of efficiency in the vegetable garden. The apple peeler, a clever kitchen tool, is designed for easy apple peeling and slicing, making prep work a breeze. The John Deere X9 and S790 combines are totally changing the game in rice harvesting, showing off efficiency and tech that's nothing short of groundbreaking in the field. These machines are the cream of the crop in AG tech, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with their precision and speed. Truly, we haven't seen anything like it before. And get this, a corn seeding machine that can cover tens of hectares without breaking a sweat. A titan of efficiency that's setting new records. Then there's the tulip bulb planter, a genius piece of machinery that plants tons of bulbs with just the right spacing for them to grow and bloom perfectly. It's a huge win for tulip farming innovation. Automated milking robots are making dairy farming smoother and more efficient than ever, providing consistent and gentle milking that's good for the cows and great for productivity. The tomato harvester? It's making the old ways of picking tomatoes look like child's play, gathering ripe fruit with incredible efficiency. Check this out. It's not just an upgrade. It's a giant leap into a future where farming is defined by unparalleled efficiency. Can you name this plant? This pumpkin harvester is all about efficiency, turning what used to take hours into a task of just minutes. A total game changer. The bean harvester comes with a sophisticated system designed specifically for getting those veggies out of the field fast, proving itself as a powerhouse for farmers looking for efficiency and quality. The way this guy peels a coconut husk is nothing short of spectacular, a real-life performance art. Witness the peanut harvesting process over huge fields, where cutting-edge machines are bringing in thousands of tons of peanuts quickly, redefining efficiency. A massive field of cabbage, harvested in just an hour? Yep, That's the kind of muscle this machine brings to the table, standing tall as a champion among crop harvesters. Gone are the days of slow, manual onion harvesting. Today's tech makes the job seamless and incredibly fast, a true revolution in speed. The sugar beet harvester works like magic, turning fields into caches of sweet treasure with high-tech efficiency. This innovative machine carefully clears dry leaves from strawberry plants, ensuring they stay healthy and productive. And those pineapples, harvested more smoothly and carefully than ever, it's like they're being treated to a spa day. The sugarcane harvester, loading up trucks with ease, lifts hundreds of kilos like it's nothing. Talk about efficient transport. The precision of this pine trimmer, it's a stunning display of what modern tech can do, making tree trimming look like a piece of cake. The giant lawnmower is mowing down the competition, literally, with its powerful blades and motor, handling all kinds of terrain with ease. Check out this apple orchard, loaded with fruit, and the citrus conveyor that cleans oranges to shining perfection. The cabbage harvester, a true efficiency expert, is revolutionizing how quickly we can gather crops. And the kidney bean harvester, gliding through fields with grace, is peak agricultural innovation. Looking back, the advancements in plowing are just incredible, making old methods look ancient. Bundling vegetables? Now it's faster than you can blink. And this machine cutting through a tray in seconds. Or the wood chipper turning trunks into mulch. This is efficiency and sustainability at its best. Thanks for joining this dive into the latest and greatest in agricultural machines. If these innovations blew your mind as much as they did mine, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing showcases. Your support fuels this journey. Until next adventure, happy farming!